So it's about 5:30 right now. I got here maybe a few minutes ago. So it's already, the sun's already setting, but I had to wait. I couldn't get here much earlier because it was actually a hot day, which is, you know, kind of unusual for October, but usually there's a few days in October where, you know, there's weather where it's hotter than usual, but hopefully I get this video filmed. I'm hoping to get 2 videos filmed, so we'll see what happens. Hold on, I'll try to move them out of the way for you.
She's scared.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's her first time. It's okay though.
Hey dogs, move it. Go. Go.
Yeah, move that go.
So she's still a puppy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What is she mixed with?
A husky and a Akita.
Oh, wow. That's a nice mix. Bodie! Get it. What's your dog's name? Tox?
Tonks. Tonks.
Wow.
It's from Harry Potter.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, because I was thinking Tonka, and I'm like,
No,
Tonks.
yeah. Technically the name is Nymphadora, but it's Nymphadora Tonks.
Okay.
So it's just Tonks.
Wow. Hey, no gophers. Bodie, come on, no gophers. No gophers. Come on, Bodie, let's go. Hey, I didn't throw it. Bodie, come on, this way. That time I threw it into the wind. Oh no. Okay. I don't know what's going on. That's like the second time, let me see, it happened the day before yesterday too that came apart. So let me pause this video and put his toy back together for him. Okay, we're finally back, got this repaired. Hopefully it doesn't come apart again. This bottle is just getting kind of old, so I don't know if I'm gonna have to replace it, but it's gonna have to be a durable bottle like this one. This one is just a Powerade bottle and a ratcheting strap. Bodie, come on, let's go. So we got a couple of giant schnauzers over here. 2 of them, so I don't know if you guys can see them. Bodie, come on, let's go this way. Bodie, this way. Come on, Bodie, come on, get it. Good boy, Bodie. Hey, what happened? You dropped it. Hey, Tonks.
Hello.
Bodie. Okay. Bodie. No gophers. Come on, Bodie. This way. Come on, Bodie. Hey, no gophers. Come on, Bodie. Yeah, he's hunting for gophers right now. Come on, Bodie. There you go. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Oh, good boy, Bodie. How did you find her?
Honestly, just by chance. My mom works at a chiropractic office,
Okay.
and the patients were their dog had babies by accident, and they
Oh,
were like,
wow.
"Hey, do you want one?" I said,
Okay.
Yes.
Do you know which was which? Like which was the husky the mom or the?
So she's only part Akita.
Okay.
So she's like, I think because I did one of those puppy ancestry tests. 'Cause
Oh.
the vet did it.
Okay.
So she's like 75% husky, 25% Akita. So one of
Oh.
her grandparents, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
But I think the Akita is where she got the color.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
So I forget how many months is she?
She's 6.
6 months. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell if she's going to be huge or not.
I mean, her paws are pretty big, but I don't know.
Yeah. Wow.
She's still adjusting, but I'm like, I know she can't be here like when she's too young, so I started. Like this is the first time. I'm like, okay, let's see how she does. And
Right.
she doesn't
Right.
like the dogs.
So do you know which one she acts most like?
A husky.
A husky.
Yeah, like all the way.
Okay.
I mean, I don't really know what Akitas are like, but she talks.
Okay.
Like huskies talk. Oh.
Okay. So did you say she doesn't like the dogs, or you're not sure she?
She's, I think, learning.
Learning. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because she likes them when we're on walks. She's
Oh, I
always
see.
wagging her tail on walks. She's like totally fine. But then
Okay.
here she gets too scared and jumpy.
Oh, I see. I see. Because Akitas, I mean, she only has 25%,
Yeah.
but the Akitas I've encountered, and I mean, you can read up on it, generally they're not like into other dogs.
Oh, I wonder
Yeah.
if that's what it is.
Yeah, but I don't know. She seems curious. But anytime I've seen an Akita up here,
Mm-hmm.
the Akita doesn't really play with other dogs, and it just like minds its own bit. They mind their own business, and
Maybe
yeah.
that's why she's so slow to get it. But she's been around other dogs. Like she has.
Okay.
I've taken her to my sister's house, and she's
Yeah.
met those dogs. It's okay, Tox. It's okay. It's okay.
Wow,
Hey,
it's pretty big.
it's okay. It's okay.
How old is he?
He's 2.
Oh, 2.
Yeah,
Okay.
he's 2.
Giant Schnauzer, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, he's beautiful.
Thank you.
And are the two of them, are they related?
No.
Okay.
Boy and girl, but no, they're not related.
Okay. Is she full grown or still a puppy?
She's actually full grown, so
Oh,
she's
okay.
like probably between the standard and the giant.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, he's more on the giant side.
Does he weigh like 90 pounds?
He weighs 120.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, we got him neutered, so he gained the weight.
Oh!
Yeah, we try to keep him like
Oh.
active so he doesn't get
Yeah.
like really big.
Wow!
But yeah, he's pretty
Wow!
heavy.
What's his name?
Ghost?
Ghost. Okay. And what's her name?
Masha?
Masha.
Yeah.
How'd you come up with those names?
Well, we actually watch a lot of series.
Okay.
But that's like from Game of Thrones. We got
Oh,
his name. And then
okay.
hers, we
Yeah.
actually watch, I don't know if you heard like The Blacklist.
No, I've never seen
It's
it.
a good show, but yeah, we got
Okay.
the name. Yeah,
Wow.
a Russian name, yeah.
Wow. Beautiful face. Wow.
Thank you.
Wow.
She's very shy. but
So does
she's
he ever climb onto your lap?
He does.
Yeah.
He likes to sit on top of us when we're like watching TV or something.
How do you get him off?
We just told him to get down and he just
Oh,
gets down,
okay.
yeah.
Because I would imagine like your legs maybe fall asleep or something.
Yeah, at a certain point we have to like move him.
Oh
move
my
him, yeah.
gosh.
We actually have like our bed is kind of tall, so
Okay.
so he doesn't get up.
Wow.
But yeah, definitely.
Yeah, they are so beautiful. I like them a
Your
lot.
dog is beautiful too.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, that's Bodie. He's got gophers on his mind, so that's what he's doing over
Oh,
there.
I see.
Hey, no gophers. No.
Very cute. I like the color.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, nice meeting you.
You too. Have a nice evening. All right, Bodie. You ready to play, huh? Let's play. Bodie. 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 Oh, there you go. I don't know where that tennis ball came from. Yeah, so the tennis ball hit the fence, so I don't know if it came from the other side or Somebody was throwing it over here. Yeah, I didn't see you go over there. Oh, yeah? Yeah, we need you over here. Bodie's World needs you. I think the... Wait, but the water boy says he's coming back, right? Oh, okay. No, no, no. Come on, Bodie. Come on. Come on. Bodie, come on. Come on. Come on. Get it. Good boy, Bodie. Oh, you just missed it. All right, I'm going to get it. If you don't want it, I'm taking it. Oh. Hey, don't chew on it. Hey. Hey. Ah, I got it. 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 There you go. Good boy. Hey, Bodie, have your rope toy. Good boy. So, yeah, it's a little bit slow in here. I mean, there's, let's see, counting Bodie, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dogs, but they're not all that active. It's a little bit warm in here, so yeah, it's not really cooling down like all the other days. Oh. Oh, good boy, Bodie. Okay, I don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to hold on to this. All right, Bodie, it's all yours. It's all yours. Bodie, 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 get it. Ah. No, you don't want it, huh? All right. Bodie, come on, no gopher hunting, no. Bodie, let's go. Maybe you want to chase a tennis ball, huh? Bodie, Bodie, get it. No? Okay. Hey, what about this tennis ball over here, huh? This one looks kind of newer. Bodie. Come on, Bodie, this way. Bodie. Hey, sit. Sit. Ready? Get it. Good boy, Bodie. Oh, I guess this husky likes tennis balls. Nope. All right, I'm going to throw it again, huh? Is that what you want? Can you sit first? Can you sit? Go ahead, sit. Really? Ready? Get it. Good boy, Bodie. Good boy. Hey, sit, sit, ready? Ready? Trying to find a place where to throw it so he doesn't have to run across those dogs. Ready? Get it. All right. Good boy, Bodie. Good boy. Good job. Hey, but why are you dropping it up under the table, huh? I know you want some water, but you're making it kind of hard for me to get the ball. Go ahead, sit. Ready? Ready? Good boy, Bodie. Good boy. Bodie, come on, this way. Bodie, this way. Come on, let's go. He's getting some water over there. Well, actually, he's not drinking. He's just standing there. Bodie, come on. Let's go. This way, Bodie. Come on. Man, I should have had some water before I left home. My throat is kind of dry. Bodie, hey, no. Come on, Bodie, this way, this way. Let's go, up, up. Sit. Bodie, sit. No, no. Stay, good boy. Okay, so that's going to put a wrap on today's video. Bodie and I, we hope you enjoy watching. If you can, please give the thumbs up. Also, if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. Make sure your notification bell is on because more videos are coming soon. Also, let's see here. Also, a very big thank you. Sorry about that. A very big thank you to everyone who watches the ads that helps support Bodie, and we appreciate it so much. And also, we want to thank everyone who, let me think. I'm sorry, a little bit of a brain freeze right now. Yeah, we want to thank everyone who's pressed the thanks button who has donated to Bodie. We truly appreciate it. And also, everyone who has played Bodie's playlist, that helps so much, and we really appreciate that also. And also, if you leave a comment or question, make it kind of short, we will read it, hopefully read it, in an upcoming video. And before we go, we want to read off a few names of people who watched previous videos and left comments. Cheryl B., Terry Gentile, or Gentile, sorry about that. Diane, Anna G., Lorna McKenzie, Clayton John, Gary Tui, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Lori Love, Sarah B., Top Cat. And as far as some of your comments, Sabine Farber says, Zuma disturbed Bodie while playing. Bodie was incredibly fast again. Wish Bodie and his owner a nice weekend. Thank you, Sabine Farber. Yeah, this past weekend was really nice for us. We're now in the middle of the week. It's Wednesday. So, and the video, if you want to see what Sabine Farber is talking about, check out the video, GSP fights Cane Corso at Dog Park. Rest in peace moment. So, yeah, check out that video. I will put a link at the end of this one if you want to see that video. Let's see here. Scott Barrow says, Bodie kills me with the rope twirling. Laugh out loud. Scott Barrow, so happy you enjoy Bodie's rope twirling. That seems to be one of his favorite things to do when he plays. So happy you enjoyed that. Thank you for watching. Ross Vesley, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I'm sorry my writing isn't so good on this. Says, Gravedigger Monster Truck from North Carolina. Okay, yeah. We were having a conversation about Gravedigger, the monster truck, in a video titled Cane Corso, Don't Start None, Won't Be None, Attitude at Dog Park. So I'll put a link to that video at the end of this one if you want to see that Cane Corso in action, and also our conversation about the monster truck Gravedigger. So until next time, Bodie and I, we hope we'll see you on the next episode of Bodie's World. Everyone, take care.